From this subject, I learned the value of critical thinking, how to analyze information, objectives, identify underlying assumptions, and distinguish facts from opinions. I also gained an understanding of the importance of effective communication, not just expressing ideas clearly, but also in listening actively to others. Additionally, I realized that learning is a continuous process and making mistakes is a natural and necessary part of our growing and improving. These lessons have shifted my perspectives in many ways. Before, I often accepted information at face value without questioning it, but now I approach things with a more curious and analytical mindset. I've also become more mindful of how I communicate, realizing that the way I speak and listen affects my relationship and interactions with others. I used to fear making mistakes, but now I see them as opportunities to learn after than as failures, which has made me more confident in taking on new challenges. Application. In school, I will apply a critical thinking when doing research, writing papers, and participating in class discussions to ensure my work is well reasoned and accurate. In future work settings, effective communication will help me collaborate better with colleagues, express my ideas clearly, and understanding the needs of others. In relationship, being a better listener and thinking before speaking will help me build stronger, more meaningful connections with people. For my personal growth, I will embrace new experiences and challenges knowing that every step, even a misstep, contributes to my development.